Hello students, welcome to offline teaching session of Sri Varna Vidhyalaya Varnanagar. Today we are going to start the lesson Excuses a Skit. Students, skit means short piece of humorous writing. Excuses a skit. Characters Ritesh, a school student. Mrs. Sen, his class teacher. Scene, a classroom. Ritesh, may I come in, madam? Mrs. Sen, now don't you think you are early? Ritesh, pardon ma'am. Pardon means to excuse or to forgive. Mrs. Sen, I mean for the second period. You are too early for the second period. Ritesh, I am so sorry ma'am. I am really sorry. I started well in time from home. You won't believe what happened. Mrs. Sen, him. We will see. Let's hear the story first. What happened? Nothing short of an earthquake, I am sure. Nothing short of means nothing less than. Ritesh, no ma'am, really ma'am, honestly. Ma'am. Mrs. Sen, go ahead, go ahead. Ritesh, I was walking to school as usual. I was halfway down the narrow lane that leads to the market. Suddenly, I heard a scream from the main road. Explanation. Students, this lesson is a skit. In this lesson, there is a conversation between a class teacher, who is Mrs. Sen, and her student Ritesh. This conversation had took place in classroom. Today, Ritesh came late to school. So his class teacher, Mrs. Sen, asks him, "Why are you late?" She shouts at him. Then Ritesh starts his story about coming late to school. Ritesh says that he was walking to school as usual and he suddenly heard a sound from the road. Mrs. Sen, and of course, you had to investigate. Ritesh, yes, madam. I had to find out if someone needed help. And sure enough, there was this person laying near the pavement. He was groaning with pain. New words. Investigate means carry out a systematic search to discover truth about some incident. Pavement means a footpath of the side of a road. Groaning means making painful sounds. Mrs. Sen, so you took him to Dr. Jadhav. Ritesh, no ma'am, I didn't get the chance. Just as I reached that man, another man came running out of the shop there with a packet in his hand, and the shopkeeper also ran out shouting, "Chor, chor, catch him." Explanation. Ritesh continues his story. He heard a sound and went to find what that was. He saw that a person was lying near the footpath and was making painful sound. Mrs. Sen asked him, "So you took that person to the doctor?" Yes. Ritesh replied, "No ma'am, I didn't got chance. As I reached that man, another person came from the shop running with a packet in his hand, and the shopkeeper also ran after him, shouting, 'Chor, chor, catch him.'" Mrs. Sen, amazing, quite a handful for you to deal with and all at once. What did you do then? Ritesh, yes, ma'am. But the most amazing thing happened then. That man near the pavement, he too got up and began to run with the thief. New words to deal with means to handle. Without losing a moment, I ran after them. Mrs. Sen, and then you caught them and took them to the police station. Ritesh, we couldn't do that, ma'am. They just vanished around the corner. All this happened so fast. New words. Vanished means disappeared. Mrs. Sen, then why are you late? Ritesh, that's not all. I realized that I had left my bag at the shop in the mad rush. So I ran back to get it. Explanation. Mrs. Sen says, amazing. What did you do then? Ritesh says, yes, ma'am. One more amazing thing happened after it. That man near the footpath, he got up and began to run with the thief. I also ran after them. Mrs. Sen asked Ritesh, you caught them and handed to police? He said, no ma'am. They disappeared around corner. All this incident happened so fast. Mrs. Sen asked, why are you late then? He replied in the mad rush, I realized that I left my bag at the shop, so I ran back to get my bag. So students, today we studied some part of the lesson, Excuses a Skit. In the next video, we will study remaining part of this lesson. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.